अच्छा हो कि तुम ही उसको सारी बात समझा दो. You had better explain yourself everything to him. If I said anything about in this topic, I think it goes wrong. So I thought that you had better explain yourself everything to him. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं उससे बात नहीं करता. If I were you, I would not talk to him or her. How can you forget what he has done with you? If I were you, I would not talk to him. Because what he did, it's not easy to forget. I don't know how can you forget about everything what he did with you. You're very brave and very kind person, I must say. अगर तुम ये रेडियो बजाओगे तो हर कोई शिकायत करेगा. If you play your radio here, you will have everyone complaining. Yeah, that's true, because our neighbor is very calm, and I thought that they don't like too much noise. And if you are play your radio here, you will have everyone complaining. So please just stop playing this here. If you cannot stop it, then just lower your volume, please. तुम उसे अपना काम क्यों नहीं देते? तुम उसे अपना काम करने क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you let him have his way? Whenever I come here, you are every time with him. Why don't you let him have his way? Because he is not doing anything without you. He have to stand on his way, on his. मेरी मानो तो तुम उसकी बात एक कान से सुनो और दूसरे कान से निकाल दो. If you take my advice, turn a deep care of his complaints. Yeah, because she says every time nonsense. I don't listen to her. And if you take my advice, turn a deaf ear to his complaints, because she is not so important. When she says anything, I am not listening to her. So please take my advice. मेरे विचार में तुम्हें इससे और अधिक देरी नहीं करनी चाहिए. I think you should not put it off any longer. You are very late. I think that you should not put it off any longer, because if you take it for grantedly, then you have to pay for it. Please don't do that. You have to hurry. आप जब आगरा में हो तो आपको ताजमहल देखना चाहिए. Where are you? I'm in Agra. You really should go to the Taj Mahal while you are in Agra, because I thought that the Taj Mahal is the most important thing in Agra that everyone should see if they are in Agra. So you really should go to the Taj Mahal while you are in Agra. इससे पहले कि तुम्हारी हालत बिगड़े तुम्हें डॉक्टर की सलाह ले लेनी चाहिए. You ought to consult the doctor before it gets worse, because I don't think that it's easy to underestimate. It's a health. Health is a very important thing in our body, in our life. So I think you should consult with the doctor before it gets worse. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं कभी इस तरह नहीं लड़ता. I would not quarrel like this if I were you. Okay, tell me something. If I did wrong something? If I did wrong something, then tell me. I'm not saying that you are wrong and you did wrong, but I just want to tell you that if I would not quarrel like this if I were you, because it's not our style. Our style is something else. We are not like that to quarrel with everyone like this.